Hello everyone, today we will give you how to transfer video audio files to Android device with UniConverter. Step 1. Launch Wondershare UniConverter. If you don't have UniConverter, you can click the link below. Go to Toolbox and click the Transfer features. Step 2. Connect Android device and import the media. Connect your Android device to the computer and import the video and audio files to UniConverter. Step 3. Choose your Android device and transfer the files. Choose your Android device and click Transfer All to send videos to the Android device. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.